everybody, my name is Sandra Hudson and I'm super excited to be here today, and we're going to talk about a very important topic that is all about how you can become more successful utilizing live videos in your network marketing business. So my name is Sandra Hudson. I am a wife. I am a mom of two. I am a lifestyle blogger and a network marketing leader. I love network marketing, and I think because I have a true passion for helping other women grow and be successful and earn an income working from home. It is a huge passion of mine, and I like to train and mentor and teach others simple, practical ways that they can, really implement so that they can see results almost immediately. So a lot of times people tell you to be successful, you have to go live, which is true, but there's not any kind of like a format or anything like that to follow other than you telling someone to go live about their business or their products, right? So I'm going to give you the exact formula that I teach my team how to be successful using a live video in your network marketing business. So let's dive in. So my name is Sandra Hudson. I am a wife. I am a mom of two. I am a lifestyle blogger and a network marketing leader. I love network marketing, and I think because I have a true passion for helping other women grow and be successful and earn an income working from home. It is a huge passion of mine, and I like to train and mentor and teach others simple, practical ways that they can, really implement so that they can see results almost immediately. So a lot of times people tell you to be successful, you have to go live, which is true, but there's not any kind of like a format or anything like that to follow other than you telling someone to go live about their business or their products, right? So I'm going to give you the exact formula that I teach my team how to be successful using a live video in your network marketing business. So let's dive in. So first things first, every time you do a live video, just like I just did, you need to introduce yourself. You need to tell people your name, tell them a little synopsis of your background, and then talk about what you're going to actually be talking about in your live video. So it's almost like you want to have a hook, right? Like you want to be able to reach people and give them what you're going to be talking about. And if there's somebody who is searching for that and is looking to learn and grow about the topic that you're talking about, then you want them to be able to find you. So you need to hook them immediately with what you're going to be talking about. So after you do the hook, then what do you want to do? You don't want to go off on a tangent. You don't want to talk about something that is completely unrelated. You want to go right into the content right then. And I will tell you, in my introduction, I'm a wife, I'm a mom. Right now we're doing virtual school. I run my own network marketing business. I run my own blog, and I mentor and train other women. And so that's a pretty full plate that I have, but I love every bit of it. Don't get me wrong. But when I'm looking to learn a new skill or to really grow, I want you to get to the point. I don't have time to be all over the place in a million different directions. Like, give me the content, tell me what I need so that I can implement it and be on my way. And that's really how your live video should be. So give the intro about yourself. Tell them what you're going to be talking about, and then don't beat around the bush and say the same thing over and over again. Give them the content. So no matter what you're talking about, if you're in the beauty industry like I am, I just recently did a tutorial on how to do your brows. So it was talking about like how to make brows made easy. And then I was like, thank you for joining me. a lot of people struggle with how to do their eyebrows. And so stick around with me for the next couple of minutes, and I'm going to give you a few short practical tips and how you can implement it, and you'll be well on your way to feeling confident about filling in your eyebrows. And that was it. Like, the video was less than 5 minutes. People were able to see it. And in closing, what I did was I gave them a closing and said thank you for watching, and I gave a call to action. This is the key that most people in network marketing do not do. They don't ask for the call to action. So if you don't tell people what you need them to do or what you want them to do, they don't do anything. So if you're not conveying that at the end of your content, then they're not going to do anything. So what I would do, for an example, this is what I just did in that brow tutorial that I was talking to you about. I've actually created a brow guide for my customer base, and it's basically a diagram of the different shapes of your brows, how to use it, what techniques to use, what brush you should use, all that. It's a brow guide, like a 1, 2, 3, like bullet list almost, that I've made for them. And so I just said comment brow guide if you would like me to send that over to you. It's completely free, something that I created as an extra service for my customers. And I don't even care if they are my customer. Maybe they just need help with filling in their brows. What I teach can be utilized no matter what product that you use. And so I've been sending that out. So you can use it to like grow your email list. If you don't have an email list, just send it to them via Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger or whatever. But ask for that call to action, because that takes it a step further. So you really want to start building relationships, and this is one way that you're going to be able to do it. And people are going to naturally start coming to you because they remember the great content that you gave them and the tools that you've given them to like really help them with something that they're struggling with in life. So that is it. So close and give the call to action. So a quick recap, intro, talk about what you're going to be talking about. Don't beat around the bush, actually give the content, and be sure that you close and give a call to action. I hope you found that super helpful, and I hope that it helps you take your Facebook Live videos to the next level in your network marketing business so that you can continue to grow, because that is what it is all about. So if you found value in this, I really hope that you did. Please hit subscribe so that you can follow along to any of my other upcoming training videos that will be here on this YouTube channel. So thank you so much. I think you're awesome, and have a fantastic day.